Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. As I told you earlier, I'm going to share my journey of how I practiced through the brushstroke patterns. In this video, I'm going to share one such pattern for all of you. See, let's say there is a bigger dot that you have kept, and you have kept 2-3 dots at the top, and you have walked the dots like this. Now after this, if you want to keep brush strokes like this, this is what we are going to learn in this video. So I'll keep one big dot. As I always tell you, when you are about to create brush strokes, you need to slow down. Never be in a hurry to see how it is going to look at the end. That will only help us create a lot of mistakes than perfection. Now I'll walk the dots. Now I'll walk the dot second layer. The perfection of the brushstroke that you will keep depends on how calm you can remain with your mind. It's not according to the brush or the hand control or whatever. It depends on your mind control. Even before actually you load paint onto the brush, what you can do is keep your palm in a comfortable position, and without putting this brush into the paint, imagine that you have done it, but do not do it. Now practice the brushstroke without paint like this. Reduce the pressure, slowly start lifting, and towards the end lift the brush completely. This will tremendously improve your confidence when you actually load the brush with paint and keep a brushstroke. Now I'll do this with paint. I have loaded the brush with enough amount of paint. I'm keeping my palm in a comfortable position. Starting from here, full pressure. Slowly moving. And I'm lifting the brush as well, reducing the pressure too. Towards the end, I lift the brush completely. Though this brushstroke is not too perfect or too professional, I think it's not bad also. We will now do the same thing in the other side. Let us add a couple of more layers to it. Thank you for watching this video.